In this video, we will demonstrate how to perform the analysis of an RC beam. Open space claim. Create a sketch of the beam's cross-section. Define the dimensions and complete the sketch. Specify the beam length. The next step is to create the reinforcing steel bars. In this tutorial, we have only demonstrated the approach to performing the analysis. We have not considered a specific case. Let's mirror the main bar. Now, let's extract the line bodies from these 3D bar geometries. Now, let's create the steel stirrups. Please note that the Share Topology option must be set to merge. First, we will check whether this model correctly shares the topology feature between the concrete portion and the steel. It is recommended that everyone verify the shared topology feature before proceeding. Open ANSYS Mechanical. Currently, we assign all parts as structural steel material. Once we verify that the shared topology is correctly implemented, we will proceed with assigning the appropriate materials to each component. Connect the Modal system to check the shared topology. We will extract the natural frequencies and observe the mode shapes. If the mode shapes do not appear as expected, we will identify necessary improvements to ensure proper connectivity and structural integrity. Apply fixed support to the required boundary conditions and then proceed to run the modal analysis setup. This will allow us to extract the natural frequencies and observe the mode shapes to ensure the model is behaving correctly. Extract mode shapes. By analyzing the mode shapes, it is clear that the reinforcing bars are not properly shared with the concrete. We will rework the geometry to ensure proper connectivity between the concrete and the reinforcement bars. We will split the concrete structure at the locations where the reinforcing bars intersect. This will help ensure proper connectivity between the reinforcement and the concrete. Use the plane tool to define planes at the locations where the bars intersect the concrete. Use the split body tool to divide the concrete geometry. Ensure the concrete body is now divided where the bars intersect. Set the Share Topology option to merge for all the split regions and reinforcement bars. Refresh project. Define all bodies with the same material to check the shared topology. Apply a fixed support and run the modal analysis setup. You can see that the shared topology has now been applied correctly. Let's define the materials properly. Select concrete. Refresh project. Hide the steel bodies and apply the concrete material to the concrete blocks. Let's refine mesh. The mesh is not improving with element size. Let's make it hard, or alternatively, we will use the number of divisions method for mesh refinement. Let's work on the number of divisions method. The mesh has been refined properly. Let's first solve the modal analysis, and then we will proceed with solving the static structural setup. We will apply gravity and fixed support. Solve this setup. Let's plot deformation and stress. You can clearly see the neutral plane, where the stress is very close to zero, as this is a purely bending problem. Please don't forget to like and comment.